Hi, welcome to today's lesson on gross profit and gross margin. I'm Stephen Ochieng and I'm a trainer at SOMO Africa. In today's lesson, we're going to learn what gross profit and gross margin is. We are also going to learn how to calculate gross profit and gross margin. What is gross profit? Gross profit is essentially the amount of revenue remaining when you subtract your cost of sales from revenue made. That is to mean that gross profit is equals to revenue minus your cost of sales. Cost of sales is the amount of money you incur to make a product or offer service to your customers. Meet Sarah. Sarah is a young woman in Kibera. She has a husband and 2 children. Sarah runs a chapati business to pay school fees for her 2 children. Sarah sells 1 chapati at 10 shillings. Each month, she sells 1,000 chapatis. Her cost of sales per chapati is 6 shillings. To calculate her gross profit for each chapati, Sarah subtracts her cost of sales of 6 shillings from the revenue made of 10 shillings from each chapati sold. 10 shillings minus 6 shillings is equals to 4 shillings. Sarah makes a gross profit of 4 shillings from each chapati sold. Since she makes 1,000 chapatis every month, she therefore makes a gross profit of 4,000 shillings from the sale of 1,000 chapatis at the end of the month. What is gross margin? Gross margin is the amount of revenue expressed as a percentage after subtracting the cost of sales from revenue made. That is, gross margin is equals to gross profit divided by revenue multiplied by 100%. Gross margin is important in analyzing sustainability of a business opportunity. After calculating her gross profit, Sarah determines her gross margin by dividing the gross profit by revenue made and multiplying that by 100%. Sarah's gross profit is 4,000 shillings and her revenue is 10,000 shillings from the sale of 1,000 chapatis. To calculate her gross margin, Sarah divides her gross profit, which is 4,000 shillings, by the revenue of 10,000 shillings, and then multiplies that by 100%. 4,000 divided by 10,000 shillings multiplied by 100% equals to 40%. Sarah makes a gross margin of 40% at the end of each month. Now it's your turn to determine the revenue from the sale of your product or services. 2. To determine the cost of sales for your product or services. 3. To determine the gross profit of your business. And lastly, to determine the gross margin of your business from the sale of your product or services. We've come to the end of our lesson today on gross profit and gross margin. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Be sure to share this video, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.